Confused about freelancing legally in Poland? You are not alone. Thousands of expats start off wrong and end up with fines, stress, or worse, paperwork in Polish. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to start freelancing legally in Poland, step by step. From registering a business to understanding taxes, ZUS, and invoicing, all without the jargon. And yes, with a touch of humor too. Let's dive in. First, the basics. If you're working with multiple clients, especially from abroad, and you're paid regularly, you're technically running a business. In Poland, that means starting a działalność gospodarcza. Don't panic, it's easier than it sounds. You can register it online in less than 15 minutes. No need to visit an office, no need to speak perfect Polish. You just need a PESEL and a trusted profile, Profil Zaufany. Next, taxes. There are three main options. 1. General tax scale, progressive, with deductions. 2. Flat tax, 19% on profit, res, lump sum, solo cálculo por tu ingreso. If you're in IT, design, marketing, or consulting, the lump sum is often your best friend. You pay between 8.5% and 15%, depending on your profession. And yes, that's on revenue, not profit, so track those invoices. Now, ZUS. Yes, the infamous Polish social insurance. It's not optional, even for freelancers. But there's a bright side. For the first 2 years, you pay a reduced amount, around 300 to 400 zł monthly. After that, it jumps to over 1,600 zł. So yeah, plan for that, or future you will not be happy. Quick tip. Open a second bank account just for ZUS and taxes. Thank me later. What about invoicing? Use platforms like eFirma, Facturonia, or Infact. They're cheap, English-friendly, and handle VAT and currency conversion. Oh, and if your clients are from outside Poland, good news. You can register for VAT-EU and avoid charging local VAT. But that's a topic for another video. Final thoughts. Freelancing in Poland is not only possible, it's powerful. You gain freedom, access to healthcare, and full legal security. It's a bit of paperwork, but totally worth it. Still confused? No worries. Drop your questions in the comments, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep the valuable tips coming. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.